Hey there everyone, Hitesh here, back again with another video, and this video is moreover like a general what's happening video. I'll be sharing a lot of updates as well as what I was doing in the past couple of months. It's more of a general overview, but yes, we're going to talk about some serious updates. It's gonna be pretty awesome.
Your picture is up on every wall of my mind. Anywhere I turn, I see you all the time. Oh, why?
First and foremost, update number one and the most important update. In case you have been following this channel, recently I rolled out a couple of videos in the series of building an e-commerce website using React. The good news is that this series is now available as a full go, one time. All videos are available at learncodeonline.in, again absolutely for free. And yes, this video series is also going to come on YouTube, but just like YouTube loves one video a day. But in case you are interested in watching it on one go, with the community support, just go to the link in the description as well as in the first pinned comment. It's available absolutely for free with the distraction-free learning. So go ahead and check it out there. Update number two is regarding the AudioDo app. So I am super excited to announce that we have already rolled out the version 2 of our AudioDo app. In the latest update, we have taken and collected all of your feedback, and our team has worked really well on that. So all the feature updates like a pop-up message when we are deleting the to-dos, as well as some of the more features like now you can have priorities in your to-dos. You can even sort your to-dos based on your priority or your date recording. We're also showing now stats based on how many to-dos you have completed or you haven't completed, as well as the most important thing, now the reminder feature is available. So you can set a reminder for the to-dos that you have set up. So these are all fantastic updates. We've also added a few minor improvements over the recording of the audio and the quality of the audio. Now the good news is that very soon we'll be rolling out more updates, as we have got some of the offline bootcamp students who are interested in working on this project further. So hopefully we will be able to do more updates very soon. But again, thank you so much for showing the love on the AudioDo app. I'll leave down a link in the description section. It's a totally ad-free app, no login, no advertisement, pure awesome experience to note down your to-do. So in case you haven't yet checked it out, go ahead, check it out. It's an awesome and amazing app. Update number 3 is now I'm super excited and really happy to say that now we are providing support in almost all courses, and I'm glad to have an amazing team with me who were able to answer all of the questions. Right now there is no unanswered questions on our platform in almost any course, and in case more are coming, then our team is answering them as well. So each and everybody in the team is now onto the questions. We are really working hard so that we can answer all of your coding problems and all of your questions at our platform, and happy to say that we are on the top of the questions. Super happy and super excited to build such a community where all the support of the questions and everything is provided to you. Really happy, and a big thanks to the entire team for doing this great and amazing job. Updates are all over, so now just sit back and relax. These are just regular fun talks here. So in case some of you didn't notice, I hope many of you didn't actually notice, I was not in India from last probably like 15-20 days or a little bit more than that. Now all the videos that you were seeing on the channel were pre-recorded and you just got them on the time. That's why you didn't notice it much. So I was on a travel and I enjoyed absolutely travel. It was a pretty insane travel trip, and I moved from a lot of places in Europe. Actually, it was an 11-country long trip, and I was super happy to have that. Now, in case you want me to make a video about my experience about traveling these countries, basically it was Eastern Europe. I started from Berlin, did a road trip to Warsaw, which is in the Poland. It was a pretty fantastic trip. Saw so many things, Vienna, Prague, and a lot of other beautiful stuffs in Austria as well. It was pretty all amazing. So in case you want me to talk more on to my travel experience, I definitely would love to, but based on feedback only, I'll make a separate video on that. Now, one interesting thing about that travel is my photos. And yes, I clicked a lot of photos. I didn't vlog it because vlogging is, I feel sometimes it's a distraction for me personally. I'm not skilled enough to vlog, and when I vlog too much, I just miss the beauty from my own eyes. So that's why I didn't vlog or anything. But yes, I do love to take photos, and I am super happy to announce that I didn't click much, only 40 or 45 photos, and out of that 25 photos are now featured on Pixels. which is a pretty good ratio, because out of the 40, if more than 23 or 25 photos are being featured, that means yes, all of these clicks were pretty damn dope. And in case you want to see or check out these photos, these are available on Pexels. I'll leave again the link in the description section. And amazing thing about these photos are I don't take any credits or any right or copyright for these photos. Feel free to use them in any of your projects, even in the commercial purpose. No need of worrying about anything. And in case you want to give me a credit when you make a project, I would love to see that, or just tag me on Instagram. I just love to see that. But in case you don't want to, that's fine too. But again, make sure that you at least check out these photos. And I'll now end up this video here, but at the end of this video, I'll leave some of these photos so that you can check out them, see the quality, and I hope you are going to enjoy them. I'll talk about the lens also, which helped me in clicking all of these photos, but that's gonna come up in a separate video. Too many updates for one video. That's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this, and in case you haven't yet done it, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that is the most important thing. That's it for this video, and let's catch up in the next one.
In your pace, but now I'm all back up in your space. So